You are watching German class. In today's lesson, we learn sich, lassen und man kann. Sich lassen means to let something. I have written here few examples, and with the help of these examples, we'll see how can we use this in a sentence. It is not difficult, just you have to pay attention and you can easily understand. Sich, lassen. First of all, you should know the conjugation. Basically, we are using here either with plural or with singular. With singular, it becomes laced, or with plural, lassen, you know as it is, lassen as a verb. So I have written here 4 sentences. The first one is manche Problem lassen sich nicht einfach lösen. Do you understand? Manche means some problems don't let to solve, don't let get solved easily. Some problems cannot get easily solved. Manche Problem lassen sich nicht einfach lösen means one cannot solve such problems easily. It is difficult to solve. So this is the way we write. Manche Problem lassen sich. Manche Problem lassen sich. This is our verb second place. And this reflexive. Sich lassen, it is reflexive. Always use it as a reflexive. Manche Problem lassen sich nicht einfach lösen. Some problem don't get easily solved. So I can also replace with this man kann. So it is very simple. Man kann manche Problem nicht einfach lösen. Here I will remove this part. Lassen sich. I don't need. So manche Problem kann man nicht einfach lösen. Or I can start. Man kann manche Problem nicht einfach lösen. Man cannot solve some problem easily. It is difficult to solve. So I have replaced sich lassen with man kann. Another sentence. Manche Hoffnung lässt sich nicht erfüllen. Manche Hoffnung, some hopes don't get fulfilled. Some hopes don't get fulfilled. Means one cannot fulfill some of the hopes. Like we have so many wishes, we have so many hopes, but are we able to finish? Are we able to fulfill all? No, it is not possible. So manche Hoffnung lässt sich nicht erfüllen. Or we can say, man kann manche Hoffnung nicht erfüllen. Or nicht einfach, not so simple. Means you have to put in efforts. You cannot fulfill some of the hopes very easily. You have to put in efforts. Okay, so this is sentence 2. Manche Hoffnung lässt sich nicht erfüllen. So here lassen, third person Hoffnung is singular, so sich lassen, lässt. Manche Hoffnung lässt sich nicht einfach erfüllen. Some hopes don't get fulfilled easily. They cannot be fulfilled so easily. One has to put in a lot of efforts. Or man kann, one cannot. Man kann manche Hoffnung nicht einfach erfüllen. So here we remove this part as we did in the first sentence. Okay, understand? Sich lassen. Next sentence. Third number. Manche Erfahrung lässt sich nicht vergessen. Some experience does not get to be forgotten. Some experience does not get forgotten in English. Or one cannot forget such experiences. There are some experiences in life that you cannot forget forever. Okay, these experiences are always in your mind. You cannot forget. So manche Erfahrung lässt sich nicht vergessen means these experiences are such that one cannot forget them. You want to remember, or it occurs in your mind always. You cannot forget them even if you wish to. So man kann manche Erfahrung nicht vergessen. This is simple word. Man kann manche Erfahrung nicht vergessen. One cannot forget. Manche means some experience. With lassen, we don't write man. Simple. Manche Erfahrung lässt sich. Some experience does not allow to be forgotten. They are such experience. That's why they are called such experience. Very few, not all. Few experience are like they cannot be forgotten easily. And the last, der Vertrag means contract. Contract, Vertrag. It can be any contract. Okay. So I am just using general word. Der Vertrag lässt sich nicht einfach kündigen. Der Vertrag lässt sich nicht einfach kündigen. Means the contract is designed or is so peculiar, so unique that it does not allow, okay, to be or to get cancelled. Kündigen, cancel or to remove. You don't fulfill, you don't follow that. Vertrag kündigen, eine Job kündigen. You leave the job, you resign the job. So you can also kündigen a Vertrag, a contract. So similarly with man kann den Vertrag, here accusative, man kann den Vertrag means particular, or einen, man kann einen Vertrag nicht einfach kündigen. One cannot kündigen, one cannot revoke this contract, or this contract does not allow to get repelled. This contract does not allow to get cancelled because it is unique, it is different from other contract. That's why this contract, der Vertrag lässt sich. So lassen, the verb we have used here with reflexive, sich lassen. Okay, this is important, sich lassen, or you can say man kann. So that's all in this video. You can make so many other sentences using this structure, sich lassen. And I hope you find this video informative. So hit the like button, share this video as much as possible. See you next time in the new video. Bye bye, take care.